All right. Hey, he's here. He's here. Okay, the championship. Ladies and gentlemen, the championship. Anybody who's watching, remember, you can get yours too as well after the slam. You know what? Give me 1 second.
Welcome everyone to another championship showcase. Today I'm going to be showing you a title that came out after the Wing Eagle. It was a championship that was handed to Steve Austin for the first time, and it's going to be something that everybody would want in their collection. You all know that After the Slam has been sponsored from CAPGO Championship Belts, and today they sent me a title to showcase, and it is the very own Blue Big Eagle Championship. Now this title was held by Stone Cold Steve Austin the very first time. Vince McMahon handed this title to replace the Wing Eagle. Now the Wing Eagle was solidified, cemented in this industry of pro wrestling, but then it came to the Attitude Era, and this is the championship that everybody desired. If you are interested in a championship belt just like this, go to CAPGO Championship Belts on Facebook. They have a Facebook group. The maker is Abdul Awan. He's from the...
You see it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it's arrived. I've wanted this since I was 14. It is a very long time coming, over 25 years. I never gave up on it. I want to give a big shout out to my boy at After the Slam for making this a little bit more than I thought it would be, but for making it a reality. I'm forever grateful. And I see that you added the bag in there for me. My G. Ladies and gentlemen, from CAPGO Championships.
The following is a six-woman tag team contest scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, representing the Judgment Day, the team of Raquel Rodriguez, Roxanne Perez,
The W.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, based on what happened at Saturday night's main event, we have this six-woman tag team matchup presented by Credit One Bank. The Judgment Day versus Rhea Ripley, Io Sky, and Stephanie McCurr, live next.
Look at this. Wow. 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 That's an interesting one. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Look at this. That's dope, bro. That's dope, bro. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen. That's fucking... Ricky! 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 Mama Real! Mama Real, Ricky, they know I've wanted this since I was 15, 14, 20 some odd years.